Hi, it's Jill from My Kids Time here.
And Michelle from My Kids Time.
And it's only a few days till Christmas. Woo!
Yay.
So we're just chatting about the whole last minute prep for Christmas, Michelle.
Yes.
Are you organised?
Sort of, yeah. There will be a few last minute dashes to the shops, and I'm sure trolleys at 11 o'clock at night full up to the brim when it's like Armageddon and looks like the shops are never going to open again. It's so silly.
Well, isn't that a funny thing that people still buy as if they need the 2 weeks?
I know.
When it used to be that it was sort of closed between Christmas and New Year.
I know.
You felt like you were going to run out of stuff, but now they open practically on Christmas Day. Well, I think the garage in our village
some of them
owns,
do. Yeah,
on
I
Christmas
know.
Day.
It's a bit crazy, really. It'd be good for everyone to have Christmas Day off. I know doctors, nurses obviously can't, but shops and non-essential services should really get Christmas Day off. They work hard enough during the year without having to go in on Christmas Day as well.
So, I've been looking actually at some time-saving tips that you wrote for Christmas dinner on the day, and kind of things that you can do in advance and ways to save time on the day.
Stuffing's already in the freezer. Yeah, all prepped in advance. I mean, the freezer should be your friend around Christmas, even from buying canapes and stuff to have in the freezer, that if unexpected guests arrive, you can just throw them in, or making stuff in advance, I think is always a good idea for around Christmas time, and just to give you time on the day to spend with your family, because that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
What do you guys do Christmas morning? Do you get up, have a big breakfast, and then have Christmas dinner late, or?
Yeah, so we get up, we have a big breakfast after we've opened the presents, and then we don't really have lunch because we've had, and then we have an early dinner.
Okay,
which kind of stretches out, and then there might be supper later as well. So,
there has to be the turkey sandwiches, doesn't there, Jill? Let's face facts.
Are you having turkey?
We will have turkey, although we probably have a duck as well, because the turkey isn't liked by everyone.
Yeah.
What about the Brussels sprouts?
Well, Brussels sprouts, I kind of like them if they're done with something. Do you know? I'm not a big Brussels fan. I can sort of take them or leave them, but I like them if they've got sort of bacon in them or something. Basically anything with fat is good.
Okay.
Isn't it? So,
and brandy butter or custard for the pudding, for the plum pudding?
Custard,
I would be as well, rather than the brandy butter.
Yeah, and so kind of what are some of the things that always seem to stress you last minute prep? It's things like running out of sellotape or wrapping paper, and even despite having bought loads of it in.
Oh, it's the Christmas cards that arrive. Probably less so now, but the Christmas cards that arrive 3 days before Christmas, and you realise you haven't sent them one. Yeah, that's not great, is it?
Although I think Christmas cards are getting less and less.
I know. It's a shame, really.
I don't write as many as I used to, and what I did a couple of years ago, I started a thing where I give to charities instead of spending the money on postage, and then I would put a message on Facebook saying, I'm not sending cards this year. Because it is expensive to post. That's the only problem.
Definitely.
And for your cards. But then I really like getting them.
I know.
So I'm torn because they're mine. But I have to say, I never liked sitting down and writing all the Christmas cards. I never really
Do you do the round robin?
No.
No, we don't either, but we do get some. I do like getting them. I mean, it's funny.
On one level, it's a nice way to catch you up with the whole thing that's happened, but I always think that they sound a bit boasty, don't you?
Yeah, we went skiing, we went, so-and-so won a medal for gymnastics. And
so, and then of course the other thing that always happens at the last minute is you have to do some kind of assembly usually.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So on Christmas Eve, we've been there assembling a trampoline that was given as a present.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's the dog barking at the postman. So
with the online shopping deliveries.
Or the other thing you realise is you don't have any batteries in the shops.
Oh, yes, I know. Or you take something out of the box and realise it's the wrong colour.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the wrong thing or the wrong colour, and the box said it was green and it turns out to be pink. That's happened in the past.
And have you ever actually done a Christmas Eve shop run, as into a toy shop or something?
No, actually I haven't. I think I prefer not to.
My daughter, when she was younger, was desperate for this doll. I can't even remember the name of it now, and she kept asking. I hadn't bought it, and in the end I thought, what if she gets up on Christmas Day and is disappointed? So husband sent on Christmas Eve to buy the doll, Christmas Day she got up and went, and walked off to another toy.
Yep. The box is always the best, Jill.
When they're younger, they love the boxes, don't they?
Yeah, they do indeed.
The wrapping and everything, and the scrunching and the noise. And tell me, Michelle, on Christmas Day, do you have the black bin bag in the living room?
We do indeed, and all the rubbish goes, all the recycling obviously goes into recycling, but and everybody.
It's a thing, the black bin bag, isn't it?
Yeah, it is indeed, yeah.
So guys, I hope that the last few days of Christmas aren't too stressful for you. Let us know what you've had to do at a last minute run in the comments below. And we just want to say, have a lovely Christmas with your family.
Happy Christmas, guys.
Thank you for watching and being supportive of Micah's time throughout the year. And we wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Yep. Happy Christmas. See you next time.